Welcome back, guys. Tailgate. Doing a little talking. I am freehanding today because I misplaced my GoPro. I might have thrown it away or burnt it, or I don't have it anymore. So, yeah. But, anyways, can't let the channel suffer. All 91 of you sponsors or subscribers. Appreciate it. Got a new box in today, so I'll do a little unboxing. I'm going to be using this guy today because I am in my jammies and don't want to get the Microtech. Had this on hand, so might as well use it for something. So I bought this because I'm going to be starting to do some camping here, and wanted a little bit of power. Like I said, I wanted a little bit of power so I could run things, and I ended up doing a little bit of research. Not a whole lot, just enough to buy it. So Craig at Total Truck was giving me some advice, kind of talking to me about watt hours and different power sources for the needs that I need. And I came across this Jackery. This is the Explorer 1000. This is 1000 milliwatt hours or watt hours. I don't know what the hell they are. So I liked this. This is very pretty dang expensive for what it is, as far as I'm aware. But it is the smallest, most compact, and one of the biggest watt producing power supplies on the market that I could find. There are bigger ones, but they go up in size exponentially. This is, as you can see, you can do the math here, 25 by 29 or 37, wow, goodness, by 29 by 39 centimeters. So all you mathematicians can do that, but it's roughly about 20 by 10 ish inches. So anyways, slice this open. This will be a choppy video, so pardon me. We do have a box here, and just like that, we have another box. So a box within a box. 1002 watt hours, 1000 watts. This is the picture since 2012. Some of the specs there, you can read it. I'm not going to do it for you. It doesn't come with these, but they are purchasable. Little solar panels. They do make a kit. The kit would not ship to Alaska, which I am in. For whatever reason, Amazon was able to send this to me, so I'm not going to complain. If I want the solar panels, I can buy them individually. That being said, I wasn't interested in paying that much money for the additional, because they're like 300 extra bucks, the solar panels. And this is a gigantic ass knife for what I'm doing here. Goodness. So opening this up, this is a nice box, nicely made. Have a cool bag here. We'll get into that. Opening it up. Jackery. This looks to be the solar panel adapter. Kind of cool. So it is ready to be solar paneled. I just got off the glacier. Scar 20. Hellcan, real one, not a fake one. So my side-by-side is very dirty today. I did wash it, but silt is awful. So I'm going to put you guys down for a minute, and I'm going to go... Whoa, CP16, you're so amazing. Here we go. Here's what it is. Little battery box. I'm not going to turn this thing on, because I don't know how. Okay. So, it says rip-offs. So hopefully they're not talking about the product. I'm going to rip it off. Like, get back up. Input output 0 watts. Measure it. 53% left. Input for solar panel or plug it in. DC and AC. It does have a fancy dancy flashlight. Oh, it does strobe. Okay, I didn't see that before. You're seeing that first on the channel, folks. It is a SOS strobe. Yeah, this is a look at it. Yeah, it's roughly maybe 18 by 10-ish esque. I don't know. That's 6 inches ish. So yeah, it's probably 8 by 10. Probably about 20-25 pounds. Not terribly heavy. Seems to be robust. I like this thing, actually. I don't know how useful it'll be. But yeah, it is a look at that. I did get a nice user manual. Not going to open that up because I'm a man and I don't need it. Open this guy up here. Did get a car charger. And a... What the hell is this? Oh, something weird. Something weird. Oh, okay. And then a like a little laptop wall plug-in. I would imagine that this guy goes just like that. Which you can't see because I'm a shitty cameraman. Plug that in, goes into the wall, charges up. It's supposed to charge this for like 7 hours before you start using it, so that's cool. I'm excited about this as well. You can plug that in and then plug it into your car. The car, I believe, takes longer than the wall, which this takes less time than the solar panels. So they do give you a few different options. You can kind of see here how this thing works. When you do buy the solar panels, they give you an extender, so you can easily plug in the panels and move them all about. So, not sure why or what the difference is. Anderson, I don't know what an Anderson is, but Anderson and DC, they all look the same. Anyways, that is a look. I'm pretty excited about this. I will be doing a little bit more of a review when I actually... And I don't know what happened to my GoPro. Anyway, I will be getting this charged up, and once the Land Cruiser gets done, I'll be doing a initial camp, and we'll get everything set up. Probably a little space heater because I'll be camping with some wheel-ons, and I don't want them getting cold. So probably have a little space heater. See if it makes it through the night. Just running the space heater and maybe a fan so my tinnitus doesn't drive me insane all night. But this is the Jackery Explorer 1000 unboxing. pretty nice little unit. Does have some rubber feet. It's not the same. This is a hard plastic. This is kind of a soft rubber. So it's kind of an anti-slip material, which is nice. Anti-shock, potentially. Pretty basic. So thank you guys for liking and subscribing. Jackery, if you do want to have more quality videos about your products, feel free to hit a CP6T up. I'll definitely be doing some more. It's a Rowan Rat Cutlery Company. I like this knife. It is pretty robust. Did slice open the copious amounts of boxes just fine. It's my fancy grill down there. I really like it. Gotta clean it. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, you know, all that stuff. If you don't want to, do it anyways. Just kidding. If you don't want to, don't. It is appreciated, though, when you do. Feel free to like, comment if you want. If you got any questions about where to get these wonderful camera skills or anything about this, I can either look it up or test it out. No, I will not put it in the water and see if it is waterproof. I don't want to do that. So other than that, guys, thank you for tuning in, and we shall catch you out on the tailgate. Bye bye.